Meaning of golden ager.
Golden ager.
Golden ager.
Golden ager.
Golden ager. The term golden ager refers to a person who is in the later stage of life and, in most cases, has retired from work. This is a term that is used to describe senior citizens who are still active, healthy, and engaged in life. These individuals are seen as valuable members of society who have a wealth of knowledge and experience to share with others. Often, they are involved in volunteering, mentoring, and other activities that contribute to their communities. The term golden ager recognizes the positive contributions made by seniors and highlights their continued vitality in their later years.